Chalo Sanvika, welcome to INS and massive congratulations for fourth season of Panchayat that has been released and
Thank you so much.
great response. I want to start off by asking that third season was like it was on top of its game. Before the season was released, what was your mind space like? Were you a bundle of nerves or were you at ease कि हाँ ठीक है अच्छा ही बना है?
So definitely, I think with every season, whenever we got the announcement date, for me, it was very like I used to be like very anxious and nervous. Even this time, when the first time the release date was like announced, like it was supposed to release on 2nd of July. Since that day, I've been like very anxious, and like with time, it has been the mix of like a lot of emotions, nervousness, excitement, and like as an actor, you are always curious, ki, how people will respond to the season, how will people will respond to you or to your character. So definitely that thing was there, and I think somewhere right now also, though the season has released, but still like somewhere it's still there. But I'm really enjoying because the response has been great, and Panchayat has a like serious, amazing, loyal fan following, and people are sharing love even in this season. So I'm like really glad about it.
Okay, and your character's trajectory in Panchayat is one of the strongest. We saw in the first season, it was towards the end of the season when you made an appearance. Second season through third, and now fourth season, you have like a major, like you're fully involved, hands-on with what all is happening in the politics of Fulera. Uh, how would you break down the trajectory of your character from first season to the recently released fourth season?
I think the makers wanted it to be in such a way, where the character is like slowly progressing. They never wanted to give it like in the first go itself. That's why it has been like conscious efforts has been made to show Rinky like in bits and pieces only. And with time, we are discovering who Rinky is, what she stands for, and how her relations with the family and with her love life and whatever she's dealing in her life, that is being discovered like in a very slow process. So even now, I think there we can see like little more what Rinky is in the next season. So it has always been like pre-planned thing that it will happen in season 4, and like with after season 4, things will grow little more.
Mhm. Okay. And there's this particular sequence in the fourth season wherein there's a face-off between Kachori Wala ki dukaan pe. Tell me what all went behind you before you shot for that scene. What was the jamming or the atmosphere on the set like?
The atmosphere was definitely very nice. It was nothing very different. We practiced just for like once or twice. Even with Vidhayak ki beti, the banter was like we rehearsed like 4 5 times, and like off screen we share a very good bonding. What is shown on screen, it's like very different. So that's why it got very easy to perform over there. And sometimes we are performing and we just laugh. So those are the things. But apart from that, there was like no such thing that we did like too much of rehearsal, or we did like too much of jamming. It was like it was clear from both the ends. It was clear by the director like what will be the space. And once we were there, I think it was just like it just happens. It's not like that we rehearse like too much. We do the lines and all, but it's not that we rehearse like too much and like discuss too much.
Mhm. Okay, okay. And my next question is a bit of technical. It factors in the writing as well. When I see Panchayat everywhere on the signboards and everything, it's Fulera, which is in UP. But the language is somewhere more towards the eastern side of Bihar. Even the song Rajaji, it has strong influences of Bhojpuri. Could you please help me understand the language, the linguistics of Panchayat as the show?
Linguistics of Panchayat, oh my god, it's difficult for me as well to understand. Um, so what we tried to do is like we tried in our own ways to catch the UP accent, and for me it was more like the simple language, just the basics. It would be like hum and the basics that we usually speak. It was not very much like the kind of lingo that Binod has or Durgesh Dada has. It was like every character has a very different lingo, but the dialect was like somewhat like similar. That was also because like Rinky, as it was shown, like she is like little educated, so that's why her accent was like kept little simple. And apart from that, like if we talk about like lingo, I think that was taken care by the director. Whatever he wanted, people have delivered it in that way.
Okay. And I was reading this one meme on one of the social media pages. It said that अगर आप लोगों के हित में आवाज़ उठाएंगे, अगर आप प्रॉब्लम्स पॉइंट आउट करेंगे, तो आप इलेक्शन जीतेंगे, no matter if you are Banrakas or anyone else. So, with regards to the show writing, how would you define the larger story that the show tries to tell, the characterizations and the overall narrative? How would you define all of that?
I think I would say it is just kind of representative, like where the makers are trying to show that it is very important to raise your voice and to demand for things, and like whatever the demands the opposition team had, like for the roads or the electricity, it was not wrong. So it is very important, and if any like authority is there, it is very important that the first priority is that you take care of the citizens, take care of the basic necessities, and that is what the makers have tried to show that in a very subtle and light manner.
Mhm. Okay, okay. And every season of Panchayat, barring the first season, it has moments of heartbreak. We saw it in second season with Prahlad Cha. Third season, it was more of a thrill because of the action in the last episode. This time, it was about Manju Devi losing the election. Tell me, when you went for the table read or when you were rummaging through the script, what was that heartbreak for you like, and how did you deal with it as an artist?
So it was not a heartbreak, honestly speaking, because when we were doing the narration, it was like all of us sitting together and the writer was doing the narration. So we started with the first episode, and as the episode progresses, for us it was like very hilarious. The way he was narrating the story, for us, everyone was laughing on the table. No, Chandan Kumar, the writer. So his narration is amazing, and he also has like his own sense of humor. So it was like very hilarious when we were listening to the story, and even in the end, though the ending was in that particular manner, but we know like maybe like in season 5 there could be something else we can expect. I don't know, but maybe we can expect. So there was like no heartbreak moment for us. It was like as an actor, we were just trying to listen to the story. Uh, yeah, that's it. But it for me, it was like more of laughter than like the serious moments.
Okay, and taking that further, as an actor, when you read through the script, how important it is for you to not the audience in your takeover and allow the artist in you to take the front row?
I think first for me, when I read the script, it is always through like an audience perspective, and then when I reread like 4 5 times. After that, I get into the character and try to understand what my character has progressed and what that character is trying to say in that particular scenes. Um, so it only happens when you like reread and when you like discuss with your co-actors. That is the time that you know your character develops more. Like the first read is always the blank read, where you just understand the flow of the story.
Okay, okay. And Panchayat is one of India's, if I may say, flagship shows. You know, it's India's answer to the international, what all goes on the international platform. It's rooted. It has strong regional influences. Uh, what would you have to say about that? You know, the impact of Panchayat on the global audience or the diaspora audience.
I think honestly, we are very glad that something like this has happened, because no one imagined like Panchayat would get like this massive success. Because it's a very simple show, and the kind of shows that were being made, they were like completely different. So it has made a mark in itself, and the way people have shown so much love. Uh, like internationally also, the audience has loved so much. People of India who stay outside India, they have shown like immense love, and they feel like so rooted. So it has become a benchmark, definitely, and I think I feel really proud. Like if people are seeing this show like across the globe, so it is a proud moment for all of us.
Okay. And two more questions. First, with regards to the scene wherein the celebrations are going around, this is for the fourth season. Uh, Kranti Devi has won the election. Vinod is dancing. Everyone is, they are in the festive mood. He comes with a box of mithai first towards Pradhanji. He declines it, kinds of goes inside the Panchayat office. Manju Devi is a sport. You know, she goes, makes sure, yeah. But I saw your expression at the back. You were not really in favor of it. What was going on there?
So my whole point was at that point that we have lost the election. They were the opposition team, and when my father has refused that, so it should be like a teamwork. Even like she should not take it, but it was a very different take from the point of view that she comes from. She takes it like very sportingly, and she takes it like in a very positive way, not a positive way, but like I would say a sporting way. So my whole point was like I wanted to support my father, and the whole thing should be like a teamwork. We are like absolutely opposite to that. We are absolutely against that team. So that's why I was like, कि, "Mummy, आप क्यों कर रहे हो? ये क्यों कर रहे हो?" So what she has done, I think it's like absolutely perfect, and it says a lot just by taking that one laddu. Yeah. She comes from like a more like, thoughtful, yeah. She comes from a very thoughtful space, and she takes things like in a like a actual political way, I would say.
Okay, okay. And with regards to that, the women in Fulera or the women of Panchayat, the female characters of Panchayat, they are as strong as their male counterparts, and it shows up in the writing as well. Now tell me, when you are being narrated the show, Chandan, if he narrates it to you, what are the questions that you ask to make those characters, or anyone asks from the female actors, to add their own inputs to the character to lend it more depth? What all goes on around there during the narration? What is the active give and take like?
So during narration, it is always like the writer speaks and we listen. So during narration, that's the process. After that, when we are there on the set, or like once we get the script, so we can definitely call the director or the writer, and we can like ask questions about like. For me, it is most like my most scenes are with Jitu. So I try to understand like where the chemistry has reached. Like if we talk about the backstory, how much are they talking? Do they still have hesitation? Or like that thing has like progressed, like something like that has happened in season 3, where we felt like Jitu and I felt that our relation has like little progressed because we have been talking over phone and we have been texting each other. But when we went there and we performed, so we were like very comfortable, and there was like no jijak when we were performing our scenes. But then the director said ki no, we still want that hesitation. So that happens only when we go on set. Yeah, apart from that, there are like usually no more questions because it's been written in a very clear way.
Okay. And for my final question, Panchayat,
I just have like one request every time, like every season. Please, मेरे character को थोड़ा सा और grow करो. I've been like asking them, sir, थोड़ा सा कुछ तो करे रिंकी, कुछ तो करे. So that has been my like personal request since season 2. But like with time, the makers are like really, really intelligent, and they know how to take the story ahead. So this progress has been like very gradual, and I'm like happy about it. But still, like always say, sir, thoda sa aur.
okay. And for my final question, Panchayat to me will always be one show that speaks high of innocence.
Yeah.
The simple village life.
Absolutely.
People, they are, I mean, their soul is without any malice. Even
Yeah.
if they are competing,
Yeah, absolutely.
they are good in their heart.
Absolutely, absolutely.
But with the third season and the fourth season, the political elements of the show picking up, as an audience, do you? I mean, tell me, do you fear the innocence being lost somewhere as the show moves forward with the subsequent seasons? Because politics and innocence, they don't go well together.
Yeah. But I don't think so, though they are competing with each other. But still, like, if someone is in like need, even the opposition team will come and help and support. So I think even in villages right now, though there will be opposition, though people will hate each other, but when there are like crises or like when someone needs any help, no matter how much you hate that person, you will always go and help that person. So I think that innocence is not lost. It is just like being masked with the situations that people are having right now, like the political thing. But if innocence we talk about, I think it's still there.
Okay, perfect. So with that, we have reached the end of this conversation. If there's anything that I may have missed asking as a question or something that you would have loved to talk about, so please feel free.
No, I don't think so. I have anything else to talk about, but I just want to say to my audience, thank you for all the love that you've been showering on us, and we'll be very, very great. We are all very grateful for all this love, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching our show. Thank you.
Perfect. So on that note, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Please take care.